Here's how you can lose a blob of fat in just 2 weeks or 14 days. Everyone's seen those big yellow blobs of fat. That model is 5 pounds of fat. You can get rid of that in just 14 days, and here's how you can do it. Step 1, you have to calculate your maintenance level of calories. Okay, that's going to be your basal metabolic rate plus your daily active calories. Now, once you have that number, that total number of calories that you're burning over the course of a day, step 2 is to subtract 1,000 from that. That is how many calories that you're going to be eating for the next 14 days. Step 3, now this is important because we want to make sure whenever we're losing this 5 pounds that we are losing it from fat. We don't want to lose our muscle in the process. So we need to make sure that you're eating 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. So for example, I weigh 205 pounds. I would eat 205 grams of protein per day. Step 4, you're going to do resistance training 3 days a week. Okay? Monday, Wednesday, and Friday are going to be the most ideal. That way you've got a day of rest in between each one. And then on those days of rest, you're going to be doing HIIT training. So you're going to be doing more cardiovascular training where you're going to do that Tuesday and Thursday. If you do all of those things, particularly the calorie and the protein side of things, then you will lose 4 to 5 pounds of fat in 2 weeks. The math works out.